Dive into the electrifying world of digital alcohol ink in Adobe Illustrator, where colors dance and your imagination reigns supreme. First, let's begin by creating a new document. Choose your desired size. A square format is great for creating backgrounds or social media posts. Select your preferred color mode. RGB is best for screen-based designs. Then, create your document. Next, grab the Shape tool and select the Ellipse tool. Simply click and drag to create some different size circles. These will serve as our base for the ink effect. Experiment with overlapping them. Now comes the fun part, adding color. Select your circles and use the eyedropper tool to sample colors from a color palette or image you like. You can experiment with various color combinations to mimic the unique fluidity of real alcohol ink. Let's head over to the transparency and blending mode. Select your filled circles and adjust opacity, and try out different blending modes like multiply, overlay, or color dodge. This will create that stunning, layered effect. Now to take your ink effects to the next level by adding some effects, you can try applying a Gaussian blur under effect greater than blur to soften the edges and create the impression of ink spreading. You can also add noise under effect greater than distort and transform greater than add noise to the texture of the ink, making it look even more realistic. Experiment with the amount of blur and noise. Play around with different colors, blending modes, and effects to give your artwork a unique look. Experiment with various artistic styles or apply the effects in a way that matches your own personal style. You can go wild. Repeat the steps to create even more shapes and effects to enhance your base design. Add different details, such as highlights or textures. Congratulations! You've successfully created a digital alcohol ink piece in Adobe Illustrator. Share your creations using #AlcoholInk and #DigitalArt and keep experimenting.